Welcome back to a farm west of Boring, where life is anything but boring. Well, today is about 10 degrees colder than it was yesterday, and it's raining, so I don't know. Just don't get very motivated to go outside on days like today, but I decided that today is going to be the day that we go down and get that sawmill running again. We'll check it up, make sure the oil's up to level, and probably run a laser on the tracks to make sure that it's running straight. And we're going to get it started. I'm going to put a small log up there and start cutting. So let's go and get busy. There we go, there's the machine. I guess I could go turn the lights on. Well, to start with, I'm going to clean up this off-cut pile. It's a lot of bark in here. Some guys would take this bark down and just put it on the burn pile. But I look at it and say, man, if I can fill a tote up and let that dry over the summer, we can put that in the wood stove in the wood shop. And that'll heat the wood shop for a day or two. Okay, so here's the first log I want to get out of there. That oak is pretty nice and straight. I think I can. Okay, so change of plans. I was going to cut this into bull blanks, but this is a little bit on the big side, so I'm not sure I want to make them that big. So, what do we have here? Boy, we have almost 16 inches at this end. And 13. So we're going to have to use the toe board to kick that thing up a little bit. So now I've got to get the saw set up, make sure it's running okay. So the first thing we're going to do is hook back up the water. I pulled this water off a couple months ago when it was freezing, and so I have to hook that back up. But first of all, let's put some water in here. This thing is going to, so I just got some more drip to it. So we'll hook this back up, and we'll see if this will Okay, there it goes. It goes up there. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we're getting some water there. Okay, so now I need to check the oil. Wish that was a little bit easier to do. Check the oil. The oil is up and it's clean. Nice. I think I have fairly new oil. And I'm not sure about the gas. And this is premium, no lead. And crazy spout. Okay, I'm just not gonna risk overfilling that. That'll be good enough for now. You put some tension on the blade. Right now it's loose. So I go 2.5 turns or 5 half turns. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The DRO has been on all this time. At least that's what it looks like. But I guess it's got a good battery because it's still going. Zero it out. Okay. So let's see if we can get this thing started. Okay, just to be sure, I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up and just make sure everything in here looks fine. Come on, where's that? Okay, so now that's belt's got some dust on it. That's a little bit loose. I don't know. Looks like the blade is riding okay on the wheels. Okay, I guess that's pretty good. One good plus for the Woodland Mills sawmill is these doors that open up like a regular door rather than flipping up or flipping down or whatever. Makes it a lot easier to get in and out of there without. If you had one that flipped up, you'd have to be in here looking underneath it. And that's not too good. Wheels are all turning. Okay, so let's see if we can get this thing started. Turn the gas on. And turn the choke on. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like it starts up pretty well. After sitting for 2 or 3 months, or I don't know how long it's been, that's pretty good for it to start up as well as it has. So I'm going to go ahead and make my first cut here and see what happens. That's pretty square. Okay, so it feels pretty good. I think I lost some video footage there a little bit ago, so I'm not sure if I got everything. But I've been using the DRO, digital readout, to set my height. And I'm going to end up with about a 9 by 9 cant, something, 9.5 by 9, something like that. Okay, so my log stops are at 5 inches. Check that. That's a little over 9. So the pith is a little bit high on this side. Looks to me like the pith is right about here, so that's not very centered. Probably get a 6x6 out of that. So there we go. We have a roughly a 6x6, 6 by 6, a little under 6x6 oak. It's green oak. Well, it's white oak, but it's green. And plus we have these shorter, smaller pieces, a couple of some 1-inch pieces, a couple 2-inch pieces, and an 1.5-inch piece. So I'd say that's pretty good for today. See what it looks like with a little bit of water on it. Yeah, it's nice looking. Yeah, it's just 6 feet, although there's a crack in here, so you'd be lucky to get 6 feet, maybe 5.5 feet. But that's not bad. Not bad at all. So now we got to shut down the mill here. And first thing we do is we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the pressure off of those. Leave those there. And then we will make sure that the DRO is off. We're at 20.5 hours for this machine, which is not a whole lot, but cut a lot of lumber. And then we'll turn the gasoline off. So there we go. Good deal. And it's raining outside today. It's supposed to be a little bit better weather tomorrow. Well, if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We really appreciate that. Hit the notifications bell and we'll notify you next time there's a video out. Thanks for coming along.